Ever wondered how much money these YouTube channels make? Take a look at this channel. It made $20,000 to $326,000 in just 30 days, according to Social Blade. Unbelievable, right? And this channel has 14.9 million subscribers with only 217 uploaded videos. Here's another real example. This channel earns $900 to $16,000 per month. But the crazy part? They're not doing anything complicated. They're just sharing relaxing lo-fi music with a simple background image. And they're not alone. There are tons of channels making thousands of dollars per month just by creating lo-fi music content. If they can do it, why can't we? Why are these channels so profitable? Lo-fi music helps people stay focused, especially while working or studying. It has no lyrics, so there's no distraction, and its repetitive beats enhance concentration. Many people love the nostalgic vintage sound, which is a signature of lo-fi music. Now, the big question, how do we get started? In this video, I'll show you step by step. 1. How to use AI to create a lo-fi music prompt. 2. How to generate lo-fi music from the prompt using AI. 3. And how to edit the music to help grow your channel faster. Plus, as a bonus, I'll reveal the secret strategy to quickly achieve 4,000 hours of watch time. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Welcome to Finance, your go-to guide for making money online. If you're new here, be sure to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll always be the first to get life-changing financial tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with others who are ready to boost their income. This is Finance, your journey to online success starts right here. So, our first step is creating a prompt for music generation. For this, we'll start by going to ChatGPT and search for, give me 5 prompts for generating a chill lo-fi beat. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us 5 prompts. We will copy it. Now, the second step is creating lo-fi music from the prompt. For this, we'll go to media.io in the browser and search for it. Click on the first website that comes up. Now, we'll need to create an account. Click on the Sign Up option. There are several ways to sign up. I'll select Google. After selecting the appropriate account, click Continue, and the account will be created. Now, you'll see credits at the top. It shows 4 credits here, but they usually give 5. I've already used 1, so it's showing 4. This means you can create 5 pieces of music here for free. But don't worry. If needed, you can create more accounts using different Gmail IDs. If you need even more credits, you can switch to the paid version. Now, there are many options, but since we're creating text to music, make sure to select text to music if it's not already selected. I've already done this. Now, paste the prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt box. You can customize it and keep only 1 prompt, cutting the rest. You'll have a total of 500 characters available, and here we have 190 characters. If you wish, you can delete the extra ones. Below, you'll see Style, meaning the style in which we'll create the beat. It shows 3 options by default, and the default one is General. But since we're creating lo-fi music, we'll select lo-fi. Now, under duration, you can select from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. I'll choose 1 minute. Each music track requires 1 credit. Click on Generate, and you'll see that the music generation starts. And just like that, the music is ready. Now clicking and listening, it sounds really good. You can regenerate it from here. To download, click on the download option. Once downloaded, you can see that one of our credits has been used up. Now, we need to create a background image for this. We will need a prompt for that. So, we will go to ChatGPT and search for, give me a prompt to generate a lo-fi girl who is reading a book at her desk. ChatGPT will generate a prompt for us. We will copy it and go to media.io. From the options, select text to image. Then, paste the prompt in the prompt box, customize it, and keep the specific prompt. Here, you can use up to 500 characters. Mine has 274 characters. Below, there is a style option, select one as per your preference. From ratio, select 16 to 9. In quantity, you can choose between 1 to 4. I'll select 1. This will require 1 credit. Click on Generate. As you can see, a beautiful image has been generated, and 1 more credit has been used. Now, 2 credits are left. Here, you can also regenerate the image or reprompt it. You can also create a video from the image. To download it, click here, and it will be downloaded. Now, let's move on to the next step. Next step, editing the music for this. we will go to Canva and select YouTube video. Click on the upload option and bring in both the image and music files. Adjust the image properly. Then, select the audio below and stretch the image to match the length of the audio. Now, let's edit it. In Magic Media, go to the video section and search for Air is Flow. It will be created instantly. Adding it here makes the previous image disappear, so we will reduce the transparency to blend it smoothly. This will create a subtle shadow of the air along with the image. Now, let's customize it further. I want to add a rain shadow on the window. So, in the Elements section, search for rain. Many rain graphics will appear, choose one that fits the aesthetic. So, I am taking this. Now, I will place it in the designated spot. But since it looks too bright, it doesn't look good. I will change the color. To make it look better, I will go to the transparency option and reduce it slightly. Now, it looks better. Now, I want to add a clock to the wall. For that, I will go to the Elements section and search for clock. Many clock designs appear here. I will select one from here. Then, I will choose the colors according to my preference. Now, you can see that the page looks quite nice. Here, our video is only 1 minute long. But if you look at big channels, you will notice that they make videos over an hour long. The reason is that when people relax or study, they listen to lo-fi music. If they keep changing short 5 to 10 minute videos, it will interrupt their relaxation or study session. That's why they usually create 1 to 3 hour or even 4 hour long music videos. So, how will you create such a video? First, go to the share option and click on download to download the video. Now that the video is downloaded, I will upload it again using the upload option. Once it is uploaded, I will add a few pages here. Then, I will place it nicely on a page. This way, you can extend the duration as much as you like. You should aim to create a video that is at least over 1 hour long. I want to add some text at the beginning of this video. For that, I will take a blank page at the front. I will change the page color. Then, in the Elements section, I will search for page, and several page designs will appear. I will select one and place it properly. Now, I will add some text. I will go to the text section and click on Add Text. I will type lo-fi music. Then, I will change the font and add an effect from the Effects option. I will take another text and write, for relax. I will also change its font and color. Next, I will add some animation to the text. Then, I will play the video to check if everything looks good. As you can see, the text is now animated, and the music is playing in the background. The music video is now ready, and it took very little time to make. Now, I need to download it. To do that, I will go to the share option, click on download, and download the video. Now the upload process, most people already know how to upload a video. If you don't, just search on YouTube, and you will find many tutorials. Watch a few videos from there and upload your video. Bonus tip. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I would share a tip with you that will help you quickly complete the 4,000 hour watch time requirement. So, the tip is, make sure your videos are at least 1 hour or longer. This way, when viewers listen to music while relaxing or studying, they won't keep changing videos frequently, allowing them to stay focused without distractions. Additionally, to increase your income and retain viewer attention after monetization, you can insert ads every 1 hour. This will keep viewers engaged for a longer time. So, that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications so you get all updates on online earning related content before anyone else. Thank you so much for watching the video patiently until the end. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well and take care.